So keeping on with the aluminium theme, we're now inside the Origin area of our showroom. A very popular product for the business. Looking at the windows to start with, the Origin is a very flush contemporary product that we do. Comes in again a range of colours to suit your property. Now, dependent on how you look to lay the windows out would dictate whether you went for their 80mm system or their 70mm system. This is the OW80 product here, looking at a sort of bay configuration, which you can see when you've got big elements of glass like this window is, the flush 80mm system does look really nice and contemporary. This is the 9007 rail colour in a matte finish, which is becoming very popular on your sort of contemporary type builds, going into render. But dependent on what type of project you're sort of working on, whether that's into brick, stone, render, cladding, Origin's system looks lovely in any given type of scenario. So yeah, just basically a case of sort of playing around with the styles and looking at what sort of colours and layout of the product would best suit your home.